I live. I speak. I feel. I live. I learn. I've learned.
Naon kita digdi sa Barangay Bumbon of Tabaco City. Parapanchak. Andito kami sa sentro ng Albay. Ayan ang Bulkan Bayaw. At ito naman ang St. John the Baptist Church of Tabaco. Tabaco. Sena Hotel! Ang buhay ning Parapanchak. Nakadigdi ako sa sakuyang banwang tinubuan. Yeah. Samud. Bili po ako ng mga Bicol songs dahil talaga pinapromote sa akin siya. Bicol naman din. Ayaw siya mapakita. Oh, libre po. Ope po. Ito na mga bis sa public market ng Tabaco. Mamaya na lang bibili ng bigas. Ano muna? Boto-boto, isda, pangsigang. Sarap ng amoy. Oh, sa Bangkulis. Sa lapila na sabi ni Manoy. Garang kilo na yun ko yan. 15. Sa edad ako.
Diyan, Lagunoy Gold.
Lagunoy Gold.
Diyan yan, mga peri doon. Buya.
Sa buya. We're buying buto-buto. Price list.
Please give a round of applause to the parents of newlywed couple. To the groom and the bride. All your hard works finally paid off. So tonight, we also give a round of applause to each of you, family, friends from near and across the country to be with us tonight. You know, I'm speaking in behalf of my family to say that we are grateful to have your presence. Tonight is an emotional night for me. It's an ambivalent feelings that latch on me. I remember how we struggled because I grew up with Kuya Jun, and almost all decisions I made was dependent on him. In time, he was able to offer me his shoulder to lean on. During the times of my failure, he was able to comfort me and tap my back saying, ayos lang ang bones. Nakakabawi ka din minsan. I'm almost giving up on my study, pero nandyan pa rin siya, supportive, at napakaganda ng advice, kaya po ako nakapagtapos. Basta ang mga oras po na ini, napakahalaga bilang ang sakuyang brother best friend, si Kuya Jun. This is lifetime partner. Si Kuya ay most eligible, handsome, and loving person. Siya ang tugang ko na nasa gitna ng magturugan. Kaya naman, siya ang equalizer or neutralizer para sa marahil na pag-iribahan kang pamilya. Kaya after ng ups and downs na na-encounter mi ni Kuya Jun, we have been facing difficulties in life, troubles, hardships. Pero at least po, sa gabos na ito ang naging rason kung naging mas matatag kami. And aram ko, kaya si Kuya Jun ngayon talagang handa na sa pagpamilya. May God bestow all His love and blessings on you both. There will be good times and there will be crazy times. There will be sunny days and there will be stormy ones. Through it all, hang on because you signed up for this. Wishing you great joy, good fortune, and generosity in your heart. It's a promise you make each day of your life. Celebrate your love today, share your dreams tomorrow, and cherish happy memories always. May every day that you spend together in your new life hold a wonderful surprise for you. My greatest wish for the two of you is that through the years, your love for each other will so deepen and grow. That years from now, you will look back on this day, the day you love each other the least. We are happy today. May this happiness last forever. Congratulations po.
Thank you, Wonder.
Hopefully, if I have any questions. Myla, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and the service of your husband?
Good afternoon po, Sir Boss. Si Jun Lala. Sabi nga niya, dapat okay na maluto na pag nainitan, pwede nito. So, marriage is not always a bed of roses. Sometimes we encounter like wala pa na perfect talagang relationship. And as long as you love each other and be God the center of your relationship, you can overcome this trials and obstacles. So, I can assure sa duwang ini, talagang well prepared naman yung duwa. Kasi sabi nga niya, kung sa kubo, pinanday naman ini. Well, yun, nahiguson, mabuoton, and mature and responsible kasi naging istente ko yan and nakadyo din sa hospital as chief nurse and talagang masabi kong asset na nini.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wedding reception of Jun and Lala. Ako po ang kumbadyanteng host ng Bicol My Name is Jun. Without further ado, let's all rise and give our warmest welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Anacito and Lala Cipria. Palakpakan. I-witness po natin ang kanilang 5 minutes please. June, the bride. Wait lang, hindi pa ako nasabi go. Pag sinabi kong go ha, 5 minutes. June, hindi na kiss the bride. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Palakpakan naman natin.
May nangapon po sa Kuya Kabos.
Mananapon.
Siguro, tinawal na akong na opportunity din magkaroon sa ilutan ng kabilang sarong dugang magurang. Siguro, magurang na ako sa nagkani. Akong pinakang mata sa samula. Magurang salamat po. Yun, salamat po. Pagtao mo kayo magayon akong respeto sa samuyang. Kaya maraming nagulang salamat po sa iyong pamilya.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the cake has been cut. Sino ba ang may mas malaking pagmamahal? Lala and Jun, harap kayo sa ating mga bisita. Jun, kaano mo kamahal si Lala? Gaano kalaki ang iyong pagmamahal? Ganon din kalaki cake ang isusubo mo sa kanya. Tignan natin kung sino may mas malaking pagmamahal. Jun, subuan mo si Lala ng iyong pagmamahal. Gaano ito kalaki? Basta ko sa imo.